Good noon, dear friends. Myself Sunil Sonigra, and today we are going to discuss about the solution of GTU examination question paper in the subject of mechanical drafting. The question paper is taken from exam December 2010. Previously we discussed few questions up to question number 3 and 4. Today we continue with fourth question, that is 4B. The questions data is given like this. Question number 4B asked for 7 marks. List procedural steps of AutoCAD command with its options to draw figure number 6 in AutoCAD. This figure is given to us and we have to draw this figure with the help of AutoCAD commands, and we have to list the AutoCAD commands. It's like this. This is the figure. It's given like this. The figure is given and we need to use line command to start this drawing. So to draw this, let me assume that the first corner, this edge, is having 0, 0 coordinate, or it's an origin point. Hence we start from here. This point is having origin point 0, 0 coordinate. So command line, draw line and enter. Specify first point. The coordinate of first point is 0, 0 as we have assumed. Then enter. So it will start drawing line from this point. Then specify next point or undo. So our next point is here, which is at a distance of 25 millimeter from this point and at an angle of 90 degree in this direction. Hence the command should be written like this: at 25 degree at an angle of 90. 25 is the length and this symbol represent the angle. If we write here 25 at an angle of 0, it will draw this line, straight line up to distance of 25 millimeter, and enter. After entering, it will ask about next option, specify next point. Then from here we have drawn line from this point to this point. Now next point is here. So length is 36 millimeter as mentioned over here. So at 36 millimeter distance and at an angle of 0, in this direction the angle is 0. This direction is 0, upper direction is 90, in this direction 180 degree, and in this direction it's a 270 degree. So at 36 at an angle of 0, it will draw this horizontal line. Now to draw this vertical line, let me find out the position of this point. So this point is, this total height is 25, this height is 14, so 25 minus 14, this height would be 11 millimeter. So 11 millimeter is there in the direction of this downward direction. Hence the angle would be 270. So we can write next point at an angle of, at a distance of 11 millimeter at an angle of 270 degree. So it will draw this vertical line. Enter. So till now we have drawn 3 lines starting from here, 1, 2 and 3. Now this line, how to draw this line? So for that we need to know the coordinate of end point or the length of this line. Length of this line is, total length is 60, this length is 36, hence this would be 24. 36 minus 60 minus 36, this length is 24. So next command would be at 24 at an angle of 0 degree, means it will draw this horizontal line, 24 millimeter long line at an angle of 0 degree. Now to draw this line, what should we do? We know the length, so at an angle of, enter, length is 14 millimeter and at an angle of 270, so it will draw downward line like this, and enter. It will ask next, specify next point. So this length, this is 30, so from here at an angle of 180, so it will draw this line, enter and escape. Here it should be 60 because 60 millimeter length is there. Kindly do correction. Here this is not 30, this is 60. So it will draw this full line. Or if we write 30, it will draw line from this end to this end only. And then after we have to erase this line. But here if we take 30, it will draw line from this end to this end. It's also okay. Now after drawing this box, next step is to draw the remaining portion. Let me start using another line command to draw this inclined line. So for that, enter command prompt line specify first point. The coordinate of this first point would be 0 unit in x direction and 8 unit in y direction, because this is y axis, this is x axis, that we have assumed. So 0, 8 is a starting point, so it will start the first point here, now second point, and enter, then specify next point. Next point means this point, coordinate of this point, it would be 20 and 25, because this distance is not given to us, this radius is 10, so we assume 10 plus 10, that is 20. So x coordinate of this point would be 20 and y coordinate would be 25. So from here to here it will draw a line, enter and escape. So it will cut this command. This command is completed. So we have drawn this line with these steps. Next, to draw next, we use arc command to draw this arc. This is the arc. Command prompt, write arc, ARC. Specify first point. See, in these steps, the bold fonts that we have to enter, and these unbold components are automatically generated in AutoCAD. Hence, there is a difference between these unbold and bold letters. If we enter arc and enter, this symbol stands for enter. Specify first point. We start drawing arc from this point. So coordinate of this point is from this point, this 10, 10 and 10. So 30 millimeter in x direction. So x coordinate is 30 and y coordinate is 0. So this is the first point that is specified, and enter. After that, specify radius. The radius of this arc is known to us, that is 10 millimeter. Enter. Then specify end point. End point means this point. So it will draw arc from here to here, and coordinate of this point is x coordinate 10, y coordinate 0. So 10, 0, then it will draw this arc. So arc is drawn, enter, and next command, line. Now we have to draw this dotted line. So for that, what we have to do? So for that, use the command line. Now find out coordinate of this point, enter, specify first point. This x coordinate is 45 millimeter, y coordinate is 0. So specify first point as 45, 0 and enter, because this distance is 30 and this distance is not given to us. So we assume that this distance is 15 millimeter, hence the remaining distance would be 60 minus 45, 60 minus 15, that is 45 millimeter. So our first point is this, that we have specified. Now specify next point. This height is known to us, that is 14 millimeter at an angle of 90. So from here to here it will draw this line segment. Then enter, escape. So it will cut this command and this line is drawn. Now you can see with this command, this line will be visible line. It will be full line. But here we have to draw dotted line. So for that, another command that we have to use, that is line type command. With the help of line type command, we can change the property of the line, or we can draw dotted line, center line, or any kind of various lines, chain line, long chain line, long thick chain line, etc. Use command line type and enter. If we enter the line type, the option would be like this: select the object. So at that time we have to click on this object, or you can write here click on line. In examination you have to write the steps like this: select the objects, click on line. We have to click on this line. If you click on this line, it will ask the property of this line. So write at property is dotted. Dotted line is to be loaded and this line will be dotted, and enter. So this line would be converted from full line to dotted line. So that is question number 4. B, let me do the hands-on experience of this exercise. This is the figure which is given to us in AutoCAD. Let me start drawing line, and first point coordinate is 0, 0. So it will start drawing line from this end, and then this height is 25 millimeter. So we insert at 25 at an angle of 90 degree. So it will draw this vertical line. we have drawn this vertical line, and this vertical line is drawn. Now to draw this horizontal line, let me draw line from this point, and at the width is known to us 36 millimeter at an angle of 0. So it will draw this line. So this vertical line and horizontal line have drawn. Now to draw this vertical line, again we start line from end point, that is last point. We can directly write like this. Line from the coordinate of this point would be x coordinate 36 millimeter and y coordinate 25 millimeter. So 36, first point is 36 and y coordinate is 25. So that is first point, and the last point, coordinate of this point would be 25 minus 14, that is 11. So you write here at 11 at an angle of 270 degree. So it will draw this vertical line. Now with the help of zoom command, we can see all the drawing in our space like this. Use zoom and extend. So all the drawing would be visible to us in our space like this. Now after drawing this, let me draw this horizontal line. So for that we start drawing a line from here, line from origin point 0, 0 to the end point. Line command, first point is say 0, 0 and end point is 60 millimeter at an angle of 0 degree. So it will draw the horizontal line. Use zoom command. So this line is drawn as shown over here. Zoom and extend. After drawing this line, let me draw this arc. To draw this arc, we use command arc, ARC. Right here ARC like this, either capital or letter, capital letter or any letter. Starting point coordinate is 30 mm x coordinate, 0 mm y coordinate. So this is the first point that is defined. Now if we enter this, it asks about second point or center. Let me define the center. Center coordinate is known to us, that is 20 millimeter in x direction. See this distance, center is here. So 20 millimeter in x direction, 0 millimeter in y direction. So 20, 0. If we enter 20, 0, it will start arc from here, draw arc like this. Now after here, the next option is the end point of the arc. We know coordinate of end point, that is end point means this point, that is 10 millimeter in x direction, 0 millimeter in y direction. So 10, 0, if we enter 10, 0, it will draw arc like this. So this arc is drawn. So by using this, we can show this diagram. Now we draw this line, this 14 millimeter long line. So for that, let me start drawing, specify the first point. The coordinate of first point would be, means this point, x coordinate 60, y coordinate 0. So that is the point that is defined. Now 14 millimeter to draw this height is 14 millimeter. So write command over here at a distance of, write this, at a distance of 14 millimeter at an angle of 90 degree and enter. So it will draw this vertical line. Now to draw this horizontal line, the length is known to us, that is 24 millimeter, 60 minus 36. So 24 at an angle of 180 degree. So write like this, at 24 at an angle of 180 degree, it will draw this line. So this is the drawing which we have drawn. With the help of zoom command, we can see all drawings in our space like this. So till now we have drawn this drawing, you can see here, right? Now to draw this dotted line, the x coordinate is known to us, that is 45 millimeter and 45 millimeter in x direction. So write line over here, or if you just write L, then also it will understand that you have to use line command. Specify first point, that is 45 mm in x direction, 0 mm in y direction. It will start from here. this height is known to us, or you can directly click over here. Height is like this. So we have drawn that line and escape. So this line is drawn. Now to convert this line into dotted line, we use line type command. Line type, enter. Here it will ask about options. Load the line type. In line type you have to load dotted line. So click here on dotted line. Various lines are there. This is the dotted line or dash line. OK and OK. Now you click on here on this line and select here line type. It's a dashed line, so it will be converted into dashed line like this. So this is the conversion of full line to dashed line. Now after drawing this dotted line, we have to insert these dimensions. So to insert these dimensions, what should we do? So for that, insert in annotate command. Here dimension option is there. Dimension, click over here. If you want to insert this dimension, click over here. It will give the dimension like this. Now here the dimensions are not visible. So what should we do? So for that, dim scale command is there. DIMSCALE. With the help of dim scale, you can change the scale. Here scale is 1 millimeter or 1 unit. We can enlarge, say 5, and enter, and then regen. After regenerated, erase this line and again insert the dimension. So as we have increased the scale, the font size would be enlarged like this. Here it is 36 millimeter, but here 36.0000 is there. How to reduce these zeros? So for that also we do have option here. In this option, modify these parameters. In these parameters, here 4 digits are there. So reduce this precision to 00. OK, and set current. Close. Now if we insert any dimension, this 0 would not be there. For example, erase this and again we insert the dimension. Insert this dimension from this end